Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share a Google Calendar event link. This is a quick way to invite others and let them easily access your event details. Let's get started. On your Google Calendar dashboard, for example, if this is your event and you want to get the event link, all you need to do is click your event and then click Invite via link. Once the link is created, simply copy the link and share it with the person you want to invite. You can share it on social media or send it through emails. By sending emails, you can send the link and then add the email addresses. This will send the invitation, and others can also share it. That is how you share a Google Calendar event link. With just a few simple steps, we can send our event to others and keep everyone informed.